Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be cleaning out our Hoover pet something steamy carpet cleaner. And you see there are 3 screws right there, 2 screws right there, and 1 screw right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our Strabito toolkit, grab this splurger. This will come in handy because we're going to have to take off this little cover part right here, and we're going to have to pry it off. We're going to grab our little bit adapter for a PH2 bit, and we're going to grab our Hyper Tough 4.8 volt cordless screwdriver. Let me see. Insert this in like so. And we're going to go in here, lift up this little flap, grab our PH2 bit, put it in, and this will probably be in like 2 parts. So we're going to unscrew all these screws. And the reason I'm not using the screwdriver intended for this, which is this little screwdriver right here, is because these screws are long, so it's a lot easier just to use electric. Power options when you can, other than having to stress. So let's move this over here. So this part will be taking it apart. The second part will be cleaning it and putting it back together. If it's leaking a little bit, don't worry. That's probably because we just took out our DWT. Oh, dang it, dropped a screw. Put that there. Now this 4.8 volt electric screwdriver works really well. Now all we do now is we pop these little panels off. That's all it is. Disgusting, but yes. Cut. Okay, so we take the other one off. So we just have these 2 plastic pieces. Now all that is a cover for brush roll. See, there's a belt cover. And we have this brush roll. So now we want to come around, we want to flip this back upwards. We're going to pull right here. See, I release the nozzle. We flip it in, you can see all that here. So we want to flip it back over. Slowly lower it, because if you drop it too hard, it might break. So we got the nozzle. I'm gonna clean that out. We bring the thing over to our cell, and we take out the brush roll. Now we have free access. Stay tuned for part 2, where I take off this cover, this, clean out, and replace.